Hey, it's me. Welcome to the path. Take a moment to arrive in your body. Feel the weight of yourself where you are sitting or standing. Notice the quiet signals moving through you. Breath, warmth, sensation. You don't need to rise above this. You don't need to transcend it. This is where the path begins. For a long time, the body has been treated as something to overcome, something lesser than spirit, something in the way of awakening. But the Christ path teaches something very different. Embodiment is not the obstacle to salvation. It is the way salvation enters the world. When Christ said, "This is my body given for you," he wasn't only speaking of sacrifice. He was revealing a truth about incarnation itself. The body is a living sacrament, a meeting place between heaven and earth, a temple where divine consciousness learns how to live in form. Every sensation is a doorway. Every movement is a prayer. Every breath is a quiet communion between spirit and matter. Food is not just fuel, it's relationship. It's the earth offering itself to become part of you. When eaten with presence, food becomes a moment of union, matter consenting to become consciousness. Movement is not just exercise, it's life expressing itself through form. When the body moves with awareness, energy begins to flow where it was once stagnated. Joy arises not because effort is perfect, but because life is allowed to move freely again. Sexuality, too, is part of the sacred field, not as performance or escape, as communion. When met with honesty and care, sexual energy becomes a current of love that unites rather than consumes. It teaches the body how to receive and give without losing itself. Even illness belongs in this conversation. Not as punishment, not as failure. Illness often appears where listening has been lost, where the body is carrying what the heart and mind could not yet hold. To meet illness with curiosity rather than war is to allow the body to speak its wisdom. Healing then becomes cooperation rather than conquest. The sacred body does not ask for perfection. It asks for presence. It asks to be felt rather than forced. It asks to be trusted again. Salvation doesn't descend from above. It rises from within the body when we stop abandoning it. When we listen. When we respond with care. when we allow sensation, emotion, and movement to teach us how to live in truth. This is the temple of union, not built of stone, but of living tissue, not entered through belief, but through embodiment. When you honor the body as sacred, Christ consciousness has somewhere to land. It becomes lived, breathing, human. Take a moment now and gently scan your body. Notice where there is ease. Notice where there is tension. Instead of trying to change anything, simply acknowledge what you feel. Offer curiosity where there was judgment. So you might ask, what is my body asking for right now? Rest, movement, nourishment, gentleness. Let the answer come without forcing it. This listening is already the practice. May you remember that your body is not separate from your soul. It's the place where your soul learns how to love the world. May you treat this living temple with care, and may each ordinary act, eating, moving, resting, touching, become a quiet return to union. Thank you for walking this path with me. Until next Sunday, may you feel at home in your own body. You've been listening to The Path with Dr. Candice Esposito. Thank you for walking with me. Love you. Connect soon.